Hello everyone, hi, how are you? How is your life going on? Wish you all a very happy new year 2022. So this is my first video in this year 2022 and I'm super excited to see you guys in the new year. I have so many things to share with you, so I would request you कि अगर अभी तक मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करिए, साथ में बेल आइकन भी प्रेस कर दीजिए ताकि जैसे ही मैं कोई भी नई वीडियो अपलोड करूँ यू रिसीव इट, यू गेट द नोटिफिकेशंस ऑफ द सेम. So today what I'm going to talk about is one of the primary emotion that we discussed last time, which is happiness. So I hope everybody knows what happiness is. Nobody on this earth would be there who does not know what happiness means. So today I'll be talking about what happiness is and what are the easiest way to achieve happiness. So let's dive into that. So what is happiness? Happiness is something which, if something, everything and anything can give us happiness. If we are in tune with the particular thing and our heart desires it, and we will feel happy about it. So let's take an example here. Who does not like taking a walk in nature when it is raining outside? Like I am in Delhi and the season here is quite cold, but the atmosphere outside is so beautiful. Who does not want to go out and enjoy the clouds and see the nature, see the birds chirping around? Doesn't that make everyone happy? So just seeing the beauty in the universe, just seeing the beauty in the world around us is making us happy. So anything and everything can make us happy if we are in tune with it, right? If we want to be happy, nobody can stop us from being happy. So most of the time what happens is we are so much depressed, we are so much stressed out in our lives कि ये basic emotion है happiness, हमें पता है हमें चाहिए, लेकिन हम अपनी दुनिया भर की टेंशन्स में इतनी बुरी तरह खोए होते हैं that we don't want to experience it. Though we can experience it very easily on daily basis for 24 hours you can experience it, but we still don't do it because we don't feel like. We are so much into this materialistic world that no matter, हमें बस stressed out ही रहना है, हमें टेंशन ही लेनी है, वर्क का टेंशन लेना है, हमें घर का टेंशन लेना है, हमें अपने फैमिली, अपनी पर्सनल लाइफ की टेंशन लेनी है, अपनी हेल्थ की टेंशन लेनी है. Why can't we on the other hand enjoy what we are, enjoy what our life is and feel grateful about whatever we are having and feel happy about it? Why can't we do that? Just think about it, yeah. And so happiness is an emotion which you can derive from anywhere and anyone. So for some, happiness comes from outside, as in from outside sources. Like for example, people around you, your relatives, your spouse, your family, your kids. For some people, it comes from within. Within, as in from your soul searching. For me, it is actually from within. My solitude, my meditations, and the time that I take for when I do the mindfulness activities, that gives me immense happiness. For some, it is like doing some outdoor activities, playing around, doing random stuff. Anything and everything can make you happy, as I've already told you. So it varies from person to person. Happiness is not a fixed कि बटन कि यही करोगे तो यही करने से खुशी मिलेगी. Some people get it while sleeping. So anybody can get happiness from any way. You look around and just look at the beauty around you. You have house, for example, you have a small house, it's okay, you have a house, be happy, be grateful about it, right? So happiness is something which you can get from anywhere that you desire. So today I'm going to talk about the ways that how you can be happy. I've already told you one of the way. Just appreciate the things that you're having around and you will feel happy, you will feel grateful about it, and you would appreciate the fact that you are so blessed, you're so happy. So the first step that you can do is take a notebook and a pen and just think about it. You just don't have to take a lot of time to find out what gives you happiness. You just have to take out pen and paper, just give yourself 5 minutes and write on the pen or write on your notebook that this is what gives me happiness. For me, as I already told you, for me it is my solitude which gives me happiness. Try and find out at least 2 to 3 sources that gives you immense happiness. Note it down and know within your heart, you know it already, but it's just that you haven't expressed it you haven't expressed it to yourself. It's important for you to express your emotion, your happiness to yourself. This thing gives me happiness, solitude gives me happiness. I say it, I acknowledge it, and now I am throwing out in the world ki solitude, I need solitude to be happy. So this is what you are supposed to do. Let's say your spouse, spending time with your spouse or your kids gives you happiness. Just write it down and just feel it and know it within your heart that yes, this gives me immense happiness, so I will be doing it. Thing that gives you happiness, it is very important for you to take out time for that particular thing. Now if solitude is important for me, I always make sure that I have plenty of time with myself, so that I can do my soul searching, I can do my meditation and anything that makes me happy. So for you also, if you're happy with your family, if you're happy with your spouse, your kids, make sure you're spending out time with them. So happiness is something which you can derive from outside sources, from inside sources, from anywhere, but being happy is the key here to achieve rest of the emotions, to understand other emotions. If it is a negative emotion, we'll be coming back to happiness only, right, to make ourselves normal. So first we should know what happiness is and how we can achieve happiness. If we know this, then coming back to the happy state from different emotions, when I'll be talking about different emotions, it will not be a difficult task, but we need to first understand how we can come from, how can we be happy in the simplest way possible. So first step you did, you note down the sources of your happiness, whether it's internal or external. So not necessarily it's going to be only internal or only external. There will be plenty of sources for you to be happy. So you have to just figure that out yourself. For every person it will vary. Every single person will have different sources of happiness. If it is you're spending time with your loved ones, or is it just playing out, or it is just doing mindfulness activities or meditation, or is it doing physical exercises, is it doing yoga, is it doing cycling, is it going out for a walk in nature, is it like doing talking to universe, talking to God, what it is that makes you so happy and so grateful for your own being. You have to identify that, first thing. Second thing is you have to take out time for yourself to actually invest that time in that thing. Next thing is, now this thing makes me happy. You have taken out time for that. Now let's say you are so much occupied with your work and other stuff, you're not getting time to take out time for your own happiness. What you can do is just remember my words, and it is going to be very easy. You just have to remember one thing. If you're feeling very low, if you're feeling any negative emotions, or not any emotion is coming to you, but you want to have the best day of your life, only thing that you need to do is very simple thing: smile. Yes, just smile. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग क्या बोलेंगे कि पागल है, जब देखो स्माइल करता रहता है या करती रहती है, क्या फ़र्क पड़ता है? If that is making you happy, look, go into the mirror. If nobody is around, go into the mirror and just smile. Look at your face and see how beautiful your smile is. It is. Smile is something, no matter how your face looks, how you look like, your smile will definitely bring charm to your face if you're going to smile. So don't forget to smile every day. And sometimes you never know, give smile to yourself and give smile to others. While you're walking, make sure you have a pleasant smile on your face. When you see people around you, give them a smile. You don't know, what a person in front of you is going through, and just your smile can change their life totally. You won't even realize it, but this is true. This happens. So this smile is so infectious that it can change anyone's life, anytime. So don't forget to smile every day, and feel the gratefulness of your smile, of you are smiling, you're happy, and keep this thing keep your heart blessed with a smile. Give your heart a smile. Whenever you wake up, just close your eyes and smile at your heart. Say thank you, heart, for blessing me with for pumping our blood into my system, for keeping me alive. Thank you so much. And just smile. That's the key. That's it. That's it that you're supposed to do. Just smile. So this is it from my side for this week. I thank you so much for joining me in today. I would request you all to, if you have watched this video till the end, I would request you all to please tell me your source of happiness, and what you are planning to do. How are you going to spend or you take out time for your happiness? Please do let me know through the comments, through any means you would like to tell me. I would like to talk to you. I would like to interact with you. So please do interact with me. Please do talk to me. I'll see you guys again in my next video. Till then, thank you so much for joining me in today. I love you all. I wish you all the happiness in the world. May you all be blessed. Thank you with lots of love and gratitude. Bye.